Can you imagine taking a nice long walk on our beautiful beaches on 30A and being home in less than 5 minutes?
Welcome to 67 Snapper Street, located in Blue Mountain Beach. Did you know Blue Mountain Beach is the highest elevation here on 30A? And so is this home. So close to Nemo's restaurant, shopping, and also to the public beaches. But let me show you around this beautiful home.
Thank you so much for watching our video at 67 Snapper Street. If you have any questions about this listing, please contact us at 850-830-6461.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss und goodbye.